I'm Linda Reynolds. I was the naturalist at the state park here in Guntersville for almost 20 years, hence my interest in Miss Bessie Samuel, particularly since a woman did what she did to collect all these birds, to do the taxidermy, and also to share them with other people, especially school children. Alabama has such a large river system, and anytime you have rivers, you have birds and other wildlife. Guntersville is very fortunate to be on the Tennessee River, and we have all sorts of migratory birds that come through, and we have lots of waterfowl here. And we also have gulls, 3 different kinds of gulls that spend the winter here. There are 2 books talking about the birds of Alabama. The first one was written by Arthur Howell, and the first edition was 1924. By that time, Miss Bessie was already established as a statewide known taxidermist. So he included several mentions of Miss Bessie's work. One was a pelican, there was one bald eagle, an immature bald eagle, and also she collected the 3rd state record of a golden eagle here in Guntersville, which was quite unknown at that time. In all her pictures, she's well dressed in the fashion of the time, in dresses and feminine attire. But I suspect when she went out in the field, she probably wore clothes that would blend in with the environment, probably brown, some green, nothing bright. She probably wore sensible shoes or boots, and I imagine she carried a shotgun at times and probably a hat. Now, this exhibit was very important to many people over the years. I remember when my children were small and they talked about it all the time. It's, the case is gorgeous. The eagle, of course, is the main attraction along with the pelican, because they're the biggest. And you can see the wingspan, and I think they're very well done, and it's wonderful that they have lasted this long.